in the earlier class we have discussed about Himalayas. Yes, we have discussed about Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas. I hope those videos might be clear to you. Clear? Today we will be starting with the Shivalik range. Clear? Shivalik range, it is at the south of, किसके साउथ में है? मिडिल हिमालयास. और वी कैन से हिमाचल, इसके साउथ में विच रेंज इज देयर? शिवालिक रेंज. क्लियर? नाउ let us understand from here to here. This is in Pakistan. It is in Pakistan. In Pakistan there is a plateau that is known as Potwar. Potwar plateau in Pakistan. Shivalik range starts from Potwar plateau in Pakistan and in India. Kosi river is there. Kosi river is there. I have told you the origin of Kosi river is Gosai Dham in Nepal. Glacier बताया था ना? Glacier Gosai Dham. Where it is? Nepal. The origin is this. From Pakistan, from Potwar Plateau region, from Pakistan to Kosi River in India, it is a continuous range. Okay, I mean, like in Middle Himalayas, we have breaks because of the flowing rivers. Yes, but Shivalik range, it is in continuity. From Potwar Plateau in Pakistan to Kosi River in India. And I told you the origin of Kosi River is Gosai Dham Glacier in Nepal. Clear? Now, in Arunachal Pradesh, this is Arunachal Pradesh. ठीक है? In Arunachal Pradesh, this Shivalik range is divided into small hills. Clear? इधर की साइड में जैसे जाएंगे क्या है? Small hills. Small hills. One is Dafla, Mori, Dafla, Mori. This is Abhor and Mismi. Shivalik range in Arunachal Pradesh, it is divided into, or I can say the hills. Shivalik range is in hill form in Arunachal Pradesh. That is Dafla, Mori, Abhor, Mismi. Clear? Shivalik range starts from Potwar Plateau in Pakistan up to Kosi River in India. It is in continuity form. Then what? In Arunachal Pradesh, it is divided into 4 hills named Dafla, Mori, Abhor, Mismi. Clear? The Shivalik range, the average height of Shivalik range is 700 to 1500 meter. The average height of Shivalik range is 700 to 1500 meter. Clear? Up to here it is clear. Now between Middle Himalayas and Shivalik range, there is some plain areas. इन दोनों के रिवर्स, इन दोनों रेंजेस के बीच में, क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ द डिपोजिशन ऑफ द सिल्ट, कंटिन्यूअस सिल्ट ब्रॉट बाय द रिवर्स, देयर इज सम प्लेन एरियाज. क्लियर? एंड दिस प्लेन एरिया is divided into two parts. One is known as dunes and one is known as dehra. Sorry, that is known as dwar. This plain area is divided into two parts. One is dunes like Jammu dunes, Portly dunes, Dehra dune, yes, and in Dwar we know Haridwar. Between Middle Himalayas and somewhat area is taken of the Greater Himalayas also. We can say somewhat areas of Greater Himalayas also, because the river that is flowing from Greater Himalayas coming to Middle Himalayas and then making the plain areas, and then we have Shivalik range. Clear? So we can say Greater Himalayas also, Middle Himalayas. Between them and Shivalik range there is a plain areas formed by the deposition of the silt carried by the rivers. This plain area is divided into two. One is dune and another is dwar. We have Jammu dunes and Portly dunes. These both are in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, and Dehradun, it is in Uttarakhand. Clear? Haridwar is also in Uttarakhand. So this plain area is divided into two parts, dunes and dwar. We have Jammu dunes and Portly dunes, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Dehradun in Uttarakhand. And Haridwar is also in Uttarakhand. These are the plain areas. Yes, अगर आप लोग हरिद्वार में गए हैं तो हरिद्वार में आपने देखा होगा कि रिवर क्या होती है, जैसे हरिद्वार में आती है वो कहाँ आ जाती है? प्लेन एरियाज में. क्लियर? माउंटेन रीजन को छोड़ करके प्लेन एरियाज में आ जाती है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज about Shivalik range. Now I told you Himalayas are divided between Trans-Himalayas, Himalayas, and then we have Purvanchal range. So now we will be discussing about Purvanchal range. Yes, now we will be discussing about Purvanchal range. Here, Purvanchal, I told you about the states. This will be in the states lying in the east direction. In the east direction, this will be Purvanchal range. Now see, this is clear. The students, those who are taking class from starting, I told them a trick how to learn the states here, because they have confusion. मैम इसको क्या बोलते हैं, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, they forget. Yes, this is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, this is Tripura. Yes, this is Meghalaya, Assam. Yes, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, मेघालय, असम. अब ये इसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है कि कौन सा मणिपुर है, मिजोरम कौन सा है. तो मैंने ये ट्रिक बताई थी, मैंने हिंदी में है. आप जस्ट उसको एक रिमेंबर करने के लिए कहीं पे नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने ऐसे बताया था, मेरी तो एक मामी है, उनका नाम है अरुणा मामी. क्लियर. तो अरुणा से अरुणाचल प्रदेश, फिर नागालैंड, फिर म से मिजोरम, मणिपुर, और फिर उसके बाद मी से मिजोरम, और फिर इधर आपका ये त्रिपुरा है, ये मेघालय और ये असम. ये वाले स्टेट्स आपको इस ट्रिक से लर्न हो जाएंगे. क्लियर. नाउ कौन सी रेंज की बात कर रहे हैं? पूर्वांचल रेंज. अभी हमने पढ़ा इधर दाफला, मोरी, अभोर एंड मिसमी. क्लियर. लेट मी राइट इट अगेन. अब ये आई होप कि अगर मैं इनको मिटा दूं तो आप लोग समझ जाएंगे कौन कौन सा स्टेट कौन सा है. क्लियर. While making the notes, just pause the video and then just make the notes. ठीक है. दाफला, मोरी, अभोर एंड मिसमी. यस. इधर जो है दिस इज नोन एज पटकई बूम. इधर जो आपको हिली एरियाज मिलेगा इसको बोलेंगे पटकई बूम. यस. और कई जगह आपको BWM. Then we have Nagaland. It is known as Naga Hills. Yes. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland. Then we have Manipur. Then Manipur Hill. Manipur Hills. Another name is Lama Toll. Lama Toll. Mizo Hills. Yes. Or another name is Lusai Hills. See, if you forget these names, at least you should know about these names if you are knowing these states. अगर आपको ये सारे स्टेट्स पता है, नागालैंड में नागा हिल्स, मणिपुर में मणिपुर हिल्स, मिजो हिल्स. ठीक है. एक आपको ये पटकई बूम. Here you have to learn this. And another name of Manipur hills is Lamatol. It is Lamatol. L. Lamatol. Mizo Hills. Another name is Lucille Hills. Yes. Then we have here Tripura Hills. And here we have 3 hills. This you have read in the 9th class also. Garo, Khasi, Jayantia. ठीक है, गारो, खासी, जयंतिया. Again I will revise. We have Dafla, Mori, Abhor and Mismi. This 4 ranges we have in Arunachal Pradesh. That is the part of Shivalik range. Then in Purvanchal range we have small hills, group of hills. Yes, one is Patkai Booms. In Nagaland we have Naga Hills. In Manipur we have Manipur Hills or Lamatol. In Mizoram we have Mizo Hills or Lusai Hills. In Tripura we have Tripura Hills. And 3 hills here, Garo, Khasi, Jayantia. Yes. I hope this might be clear to you. We have Garo, Khasi, Jayantia. This Masinram and Cherrapunji we have been discussing here. This is in Khasi Hills. Yes. खासी में कौन हम लोग जो पढ़ते आए हैं कि हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल वेयर इट इज. यस, मासिनराम एंड चेरापूंजी. Both these are in Khasi Hills. Now we have a group of hills here in Nagaland known as Naga Hills. There is a highest peak known as Mount Saramati. Highest peak in this is known as Mount Saramati. ये जो छोटी छोटी पहाड़ियां हैं, इसके अंदर भी जो सबसे ऊंची पहाड़ी है वो कौन सी है? माउंट सारामती. क्लियर? In Manipur hills we have a lake and that is known as Loktak Lake. In Manipur hills we have a lake known as Loktak Lake. And in this lake we have a national park known as Kambul Lamjo. Kambul Lamjo National Park. And if it is in lake, it is floating. Floating National Park. Clear? In Naga Hills, we have a the highest, or I can say the tallest hill. That is Mount Saramati. Mount Saramati is there. In Naga Hills we have Mount Saramati, highest peak. Mount Saramati. Clear? Mount Saramati. In Manipur Hills we have Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake in Manipur Hills, and in Loktak Lake we have Kambul Lamjo National Park. Clear? Then in Mizo Hills, or I can say Lusai Hills, the highest peak here, it is Blue Mountain. It is Blue Mountain. And this Garo, Khasi, Jayantia, all these three, they make Shillong Plateau. Shillong Plateau. Garo, Khasi, Jayantia, they three combine and make a plateau. Yes, Shillong Plateau. See, this is mountain, this is mountain, this is hill, and this is a plateau. In a table form, it is in table form, just rising from the crust or the just rising level, but flat at the top, like a table. That is known as plateau. Clear? So all these three combine and make the Shillong Plateau. Next, rest we will be discussing in the next class.